Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is in continuation to the previous video. In the previous video, we came to know about functions, right? So we want to know about return, right? So in this video, we are going to know about return, right? So what is return? So return statement just returns the value over the console. So let's say, what if I don't use print over here and I execute the program? Okay. Or what we can do is we can just create another file just for avoiding the confusion. So let us create a new file, return.py, and we'll write a fresh new program. Okay, so let me create a program which calculates the square, okay, or two numbers. So define square, and here I want an argument, and I'll pass a over here, and square will calculate a into a, okay. And now I'll call square over here, and I'll pass square of 5, which is 25, okay. So what if I run the program right now? We are getting nothing, right? Now, what if I write print over the definition, and I'll do something like this, print square. So it has printed 25 over here. Why? Because as per the flow of program, what it is doing, it is just checking for a number a which has been passed from the user, and then it is calculating the square in line number 2, and then it is printing over the console. But can I do something like this when I comment this particular stuff out, and when I make use of print over here and pass the argument in print, what will this particular stuff print? This will print nothing but none. Why? Because we haven't returned the value from the function, right? And here comes return statement. Okay, so now when I type return over here, and when I return square, which is the value which has been multiplied by here, will store into SQ, and then that SQ will pass the value from return to here. Okay, and now when I execute the program, it will print 25 over here. Okay, so that is how the flow of program works, right? And another thing that I wanted to tell you, that anything which is written after square won't get executed. For example, it will throw an error. So let us say I'll type hello over here and I execute the program. You'll see that it is just printing 25 and nothing else, right? As if the existing of the thing which are written below line number 4 doesn't exist, right? So there is no existence of this particular line. Okay, now, in order to clarify this thing once again, we are going to write another program. Okay, let us comment this stuff out. Okay, let us create a simple program for addition. Okay, which we have already seen, and I'll take two arguments from the user, and here I'll store the sum into sum, and then I'll return the value of sum, and here I'll type sum over here, right? Now, what I'll do, I'll call the function addition and pass the value of 4 and 4, okay, and I'll print it over the console, print addition, and pass the value of 4. And now when I execute the program, you can see we are getting it. All right, hope you got the concept. So whenever we are making use of return, we can make use of print statement, and in it we can pass the argument, and hence when the summation is been done, we can print the actual value of sum over the console by using a return statement. All right, okay, hope you got today's lecture, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.